What's up guys, and Merry Christmas. You're watching Chains Eats on location, and I'm here in Ipoh in Malaysia. I'm attending a Christmas Eve celebration that I've been invited to, and let me tell you, it is absolutely amazing. Every year they organise different hawkers to come through to their home and cook different Malaysian food. So we've got different vans, trucks set up for people to enjoy awesome Malaysian cuisine. So we've got different stations going on, and just behind me here I've got some what they call is chow doi. Now it's a rice cake dish which has some mung beans, I believe, and maybe some egg as well. So they are cooking it up for the many guests that are about to come through this evening for a Christmas Eve celebration. Alright guys, so right now they are doing another batch of the chow doi. So take a look at this. So we've just added in some, I believe it's mung beans. So we've got this massive pan here that he's using to cook up this dish. And let me tell you, the smells that I'm getting from this hot plate is pretty awesome. So in this dish you've got egg. So we've got trays of egg ready to go to add in here. But the mere skill that he's using to cook such a large amount of food for the many people that are to come is pretty skillful. Now that is some real good food right there. Guys, in goes the egg. Very quick, fast pace frying, stir frying. Goes some sauces right there. So this is good street food right here, guys. I've never experienced this sort of Christmas Eve celebration before, where you organise hawkers to come to your home and cook up different types of dishes. I believe there is another hawker coming still to come, and I think it could be some sort of pork dish, but we shall see. Alright guys, the second station that I'm at right now is where you can get an ice sort of dessert called cendol. So with this type of dessert they use like snow ice, and to that they add different types of toppings, and one of the toppings is coconut milk, which has cendol inside, which is made from pandang, which is a type of jelly that is added to the top of this, along with some brown sugar and red bean. Now I have had something very similar to this the other day during my food tour, and it is a nice dessert, refreshing, but yeah, this is definitely one of the stations that they have here for this Christmas Eve celebration. Alright guys, we're starting to get a few guests coming through now, but one of the stations that I'm at is again, it's like a sweet type of pastry or dessert, I think, called Ipoh. Now it's made from flour, and it's made like a pancake. Alright, so we've got a few of these little pans here that sits on some gas element, and he's got a mixture that he adds in there, and again it's like a thin layer of a flour mixture that is cooked over gas. Now by the speed that he's making these Ipoh, it's a bit of skill involved. and I guess it's against the time of how long it actually sits in the pan, so I guess you've got to be pretty quick. So this gentleman is just pumping these apong out without any problems. You can tell that he's been doing this for a long time, guys, because his precision and speed making these apongs is pretty skillful. And this is the finished product, guys. So it looks like a pancake that is rolled up, and it is slightly sweet and also crispy as well. Alright guys, I could smell a curry, and I have found a huge pot that's got some sort of broth, some sort of curry broth in it, and you add rice noodles to this dish. You've also got some toppings to add to it. But let me tell you, the smell that's coming out of this pot right now is absolutely beautiful. And then you've got a selection of toppings that you add to your rice soup here. You've got some onions, you've got some chilies. Alright guys, we've just had the barbecue pork arrive, all roasted. They've got it in the car right now, so they're going to be taking it out. You want to have a look at this one. Oh, look at that pig, guys. Now that is looking pretty good. Yeah. We've got to follow the pig. We've got to follow the pig. Alright guys, this is the most beautiful pig I've ever seen. This lovely roasted pig, whole pig, just sitting, lying on this table, looking beautiful. Check this out. Look at that pig, guys. The skin on that pig is looking so crispy, and you can tell by the bubbling of the skin. That is looking awesome. Now I can imagine how juicy the meat is underneath this layer of skin. Let me tell you, that is looking delish. There's the pork, guys. Alright guys, so another batch of roast pork has just come out. Now this doesn't last long, it is a very popular dish, it will come, it will go. So I'm going in to give that a bit of a try. Guys, so this is the pork that I was filming earlier, so we're going in for a piece here. It looks pretty succulent. Alright guys, I managed to get a piece of pork. Let's get in. Oh, so soft, so tender. That pork meat is absolutely juicy. And then that lovely layer of fat on that pork, absolutely lovely. So good. So far, the best roast pork I have had here in Ipoh. Well guys, it is almost the end of the night festivities here in Ipoh, Malaysia. It's been an awesome night, so much beautiful food here, and let me tell you, I've actually enjoyed being amongst the crowd, the amount of people that have come, and just the atmosphere and the environment here has been pretty awesome. Don't forget guys, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the link down below, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking onto my video. Make sure to check out my channel for many other videos that I've uploaded, and also keep an eye on my channel because there will be more Chains Eat on location videos being uploaded within the next week, so make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching my videos guys. That is all here on Chains Eat.